at podcast.calrice.org.
I'm Carmen Shams. We get support from AAA. Identity theft can be easy to miss and hard to undo. AAA Identity Champion helps detect personal threats with 24/7 monitoring and alerts. AAA.com/identitychampion. And from Live Nation, presenting the Outlaw Music Festival, featuring Willie Nelson, the Avett Brothers, Government Mule, Lucinda Williams, and more. Sunday, October 24th at Toyota Amphitheater. LiveNation.com. Stay with us for This American Life next on CapRadio. It's 12 o'clock.
I know so many people who have films that they have watched over and over, and I have never really gotten that. I always feel like it's not because I love the film, it's because of where I saw it. I was on vacation. We didn't take many vacations when I was a kid, but on one of them we stayed at this hotel in Florida where the rooms had this thing where they offered a couple movies.
El Dorado County Sheriff's Office, properties in and adjacent to the burn area of the Caldor fire, as well as downstream from the burn area, are at high risk for flash flooding, debris flow, or mudslides. Areas that receive accumulated snowfall may be at higher risk for avalanche. Be vigilant and be prepared with a plan for evacuation or to self-sustain should you need to shelter in place. If your residence has only one route for evacuation, you may consider temporarily relocating. This weather event is anticipated to continue through Tuesday, October 26th.
What does that mean, having a lot of feeling?
I remember feeling a lot of emotions.
Yeah, well, it's scary, and, you're really invested in their journey to